Energy efficiency in metallurgical process. The metallurgical process includes the refining of metals and the manufacturing of alloys of different metals. The mining industry recovers metals from minerals with relatively little expense and labor. Metallurgy is a high energy-intensive process in the economy. Smelting and refining are some energy-consuming processes which use huge amount of energy. These processes contribute to much of the conversion cost and carbon emission, making energy efficiency the most critical point. Very high temperatures and long processing times applied in metallurgical processes lead to excessive use of energy, which frequently depends on fossil fuels, which result in worsening the severe environmental problems currently present. Addressing energy efficiency in metallurgical will be useful in the reduction of greenhouse gas emission and in making the industry more cost-effective and compliant with global environmental and economic sustainability objectives. Here are the possible solutions. First, research and development. Organizing research and development programs in different test methods or alternative technologies that enhance energy efficiencies, such as alternate smelting practices or new types of alloys. Process optimization. Install advanced process control and automation system to provide real-time optimized controls for the energy use of equipment at peak efficiency. Technology upgrades. Replace the outdated technologies with a modern energy-efficient system for steel making such as electric or furnace or induction melting system. Renewable energy integration. Use alternative sources such as solar, wind, or biomass to power metallurgical operations, reducing reliance on fossil fuels and lowering emission. Energy Management Systems, or ENMS, establish and implement a centralized system for energy management to monitor, analyze, and manage energy consumption across operations. Partnership and collaborations. Work with industrial organizations, research institutions, and technology suppliers in sharing and developing best practice and resources that would help increase energy efficiency. Employee training and engagement. Invest in workforce training to raise awareness of energy efficiency practices and empower employees to identify and implement energy-saving measures. Life cycle assessment. Employ life cycle assessment (LCA) tools to evaluate the energy consumption and environmental impact of processes, facilitating better decision-making for energy-efficient practice. And lastly, regulatory compliance and incentives. Aligning with the regulations and availing the different government incentives for the energy-efficient projects would ease the financial burden. By implementing solutions about the issue of energy efficiency in metallurgical processes, it can significantly help the environment to contribute and support long-term viability of metallurgical operation coupled with global sustainability. It can also lead to less waste and more sustainable resource management. Lastly, reduce greenhouse gas emission and minimize the overall carbon footprint of metallurgical operation. In conclusion, Improving metallurgical processes, energy efficiency, is essential for the industry's sustainable management since it lowers greenhouse gas emissions and operational expenses while also consuming fewer resources. With technology upgrades, process optimization, renewable energy integration, and other solutions discussed, the metallurgical sector can as well further improve energy performance without losing productivity and competitiveness. The implementation of energy efficient practices not only addresses pressing issues of resource scarcity and climate change, but also promotes a circular economy, ultimately benefiting both the industry and society at large through improved sustainability and resilience. Always remember that the earth we live on is the only home we have. Hence, the need to keep it protected if we hope to have a nice future. Because whatever happens to earth will affect all living things, and we are responsible for ensuring that we make the right choice today for the generations that will come. May we not treat the earth like a resource to use, but a legacy to care for and protect. The future of life, the future of our planet is in our hands today.